Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the D10 Detectives YouTube channel, and welcome back the Ford KA that you saw a few weeks ago in the car plan number 1 super detox video. I'll put a link somewhere on the screen, and that was an iron remover decontamination video on the other side of the car. So I welcome you back to this side of the car. Again, if you've seen that video, you'll notice that the wheels are just as dirty on this side as it was on the other one. And today we're testing the AutoBrite Direct's Purple Rain 3.0. So basically what this is, again, a fallout remover. So these two videos are fallout removers, not putting them head to head, but yeah, just trying them out on a dirty car. So what is this, and how did it come about? So at Waxstock, we were speaking to the guys at AutoBrite, and yeah, we bought a few products off of those. So we did buy some snow foam lancers and some other products as well. We mentioned that we was on YouTube, and yeah, they gave us a few products to try out. That well, they're new products really. So this is what we're trying. So what is this? Purple Rain 3.0 is an all-purpose fallout remover designed to terminate iron contaminants on contact. It raises hell on your paint, wheels, glass with this fast-acting pH balance gel-based spray. So what that is basically is a gel-based spray. Normally with these they're more of a liquid, but the companies have been bringing out more gel-based ones, which basically cling on to the paint for longer. They don't sort of run off. So yeah, it soaks into the contaminants and iron particles, and yeah, it removes them basically a lot more than the liquid ones do. So just reading that paragraph, basically this is safe to use on paint, wheels and glass, and it's fast acting, and it's pH balanced. It says it here as well, the world's best smelling and best selling fallout remover, just got even better. No foul smell whatsoever, and a new gel based formula to reduce wastage and increase contact time. Purple Rain 3.0 now reacts with iron faster than ever and is the most effective fallout remover money can buy. So if you watch the other video that I did on the fallout remover of the car plan, I did say that smelled of mint, and it was quite pleasant to use. So let's smell this now, and yeah, we'll see if it's better smelling. So this one's sort of like I'd say, well, it smells sort of like all forest fruit air fresheners, which is pretty good. Yeah, you wouldn't, if you blindfolded someone and asked them what product this was, yeah, they'd probably say it's an air freshener or sort of like a shampoo or snow foam. So just by smelling it, it doesn't smell like a fallout remover. So with that, let's go on to how to use. So ensure the paint, wheels, glass to be treated are free from loose dirt and grime, and the surface is cool to touch. So the surface is cool to touch because it's been here, well, a good few hours now, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to jet wash over it just before I apply it, and then spray onto the surface and watch as fallout contamination bleeds instantly. If required, agitate with a brush. So let's again do the wheels, and then after we've done that, we'll go into the side of the car, see if it picks up any contaminants there. Okay, so now I've rinsed the wheel off. Let's apply this gel based fallout remover and see how well it reacts. So the instructions do say it reacts instantly, so we are looking for instant sort of like purpley colour. So it has already started to turn purple really quick. Yeah, well, just as I'm speaking, it's turning more and more purple. So the instructions aren't far wrong with it instantly reacting. Okay, so it's been on the wheel around about a minute now, so let's rinse the wheel off and see if it's cleaned, and yeah, if it's sort of like flushed all those contaminants out. Okay, so you've just seen this react on the wheels, and yeah, applied it, left it about 1 to 2 minutes, and then rinsed off. It did go a really nice deep purpley colour, which was, yeah, you could definitely see the contaminants on the wheel. Rinsing off again, the wheel's cleaned up really well. So yeah, it's well, it's done its job on the wheel and it's removed all those contaminants. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the back end and see sort of if it picks up any contaminants there. Okay, so that's been on the car 2 minutes now, and yeah, it's starting to react quite nice. There's around the badge, there's a lot of contaminants there, so yeah, it's turned a nice purple. On the back of the bumper as well, there is a few spots, so I'll try and put some pictures of that up now. So let's rinse this off, and then what I'll do, like I did in the last video of the decontamination, sort of that iron remover, is I'll apply the product again, and then yeah, we'll see sort of if the contaminants are still there. So let's rinse this off. Okay, so now this is rinsed off, I'm applying it again just to see whether this product's actually worked and taken all the decontaminants off. As you can see, I'm applying a lot of product, more than you probably would when doing your own car. Basically, the reason for this is because I want to test the product, and basically, well, on the second application, I want to see whether it's actually worked and remove those contaminants. So yeah, more product on this one, but that's just to test it for you guys. Okay, so whilst I'm rinsing this off, I will put a video on screen now of well, the badges, and well, as you can see, there's no reaction there, so that does mean that all the contaminants have been removed via this product. Okay, so you've just seen the application of this Purple Rain 3.0 to that Ford Ka over there. And yeah, does this product work? Yes, it does. With the wheels, it did clean them up really well, and well, it definitely reacted, and it reacted, well, a lot quicker than some fallout removers as well. The smell, well, like I said, it smells like our forest fruit air fresheners. I'm not saying that the forest fruit air fresheners smell bad at all. They don't. They smell really nice. And like I said at the beginning of this video, this doesn't smell like a fallout remover at all, which is good. It means it's nicer to work with. It's better than the bad smelling ones. So on the paintwork, it did pick up a few contaminants around the back of the badges, and well, it did start to bleed really nice. On the second round, I did apply more product. It didn't react with anything on the back of the car, which is good. Means that the product worked. So yeah, the product has worked. It's done what it's it's done what it said on the bottle, really. So the price point, it starts at £10 for 500ml, and you can get it up to 25 litre, I believe. So yeah, if you are using a lot of this, then yeah, you can buy it in bulk, which is handy for some people, because yeah, some people use a lot of this, especially when you're cleaning cars every single day. I don't know about using it on a wider scale to use every day, but if you like this product to use, and yeah, you like working with it, yeah, it might be a product to try every day. With the gel-based formula, I was expecting it to be a bit thicker, but that didn't stop it clinging to the wheels and the paint. It did stick around for quite a long time, and I probably could have left it a bit longer on the wheels to react some more, and yeah, there was loads of products still there when I rinsed it off, which is a good point as well. So being gel based, it's not a bad thing, and they haven't put an extra sort of like premium on there just because they made it gel based. It's round about the same price as a normal fallout remover, which is good. So yeah, that was the AutoBrite Direct Purple Rain 3.0. Do go check it out. I'll put the links below for this product. Cheers for AutoBrite for letting us use your products and giving us this product to try. And yeah, we've got a lot more AutoBrite products to try as well over the next few months, so look out for those. And if you are interested in either sending us products, or you've got some products that you want us to try out, yeah, well, please let us know, and we'll be more than happy to try the products out. Cheers for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see you next week for another video.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!